Strange. Now, do you think that their rate hikes will be that predictable, 25 basis points every two meetings? Or do you think that they might raise 12 or raise 25 basis points and then maybe wait 6 months before they come in again?
I think this Fed is committed to being data dependent, and what that means is we will not have the lockstep approach. You know, when Greenspan did it back in 2004, 2005, every meeting 25 basis points 17 times in a row. Janet Yellen has made it clear that's not going to happen. They're going to watch the data, and they may skip two meetings sometimes. So they're going to keep us guessing, and they're going to keep some volatility in the Eurodollar curve.
We could even have perhaps one rate hike and then maybe a year with no rate hike, possibly.
If the data weakens, that would be what they would do. Now, they don't do one rate hike if they think that's all they're going to do, because why bother? I mean, you know, so when they do that first rate hike, they're planning on doing five or six of these things. But, you know, plans change.
Well, couldn't they do one rate hike just to show that they, the Fed, are in control of rates? Because I think some people wonder, isn't it possible that the Fed goes to raise rates by, let's say, 12 or 25 basis points and the market doesn't help them out and Fed funds continue to trade where they did the day before? So I think one of the arguments I've heard in terms of them acting is just to show that they in fact can control the process.
There's certainly a discussion about that, but the Fed really hates to do something, start a pattern, and then reverse itself. So I think that's the real reason they're delaying, is that when they start, they want to be able to do these 4 or 5 moves at least. And I think they can control it. They'll raise the interest they pay on what's called excess reserves, and that'll lift the Fed funds rate to their target.